Coming up, I'm going to tell you about what I would do if I had to start my career over again. Let's get started. If you're new here, my name is Matthew Royse, and I am a knowledge enthusiast. I love working with digital marketers like you and share my knowledge of digital marketing. On this channel, I will provide you with weekly tips on how you can grow your digital marketing career. Okay, let's dive into the 5 things I would have liked to know before I started my marketing career. Number 1, earn a digital marketing certification. A digital marketing certification can teach you the skills you need to succeed. Today's certifications are specific for certain digital marketing skills such as social media marketing, digital advertising, content marketing, email marketing, and website analytics. They are a great way to stay on top of the tools and trends impacting those skills. I wish I had earned more digital marketing certifications earlier in my career so I could have become more knowledgeable. For example, with the HubSpot content marketing certification, you can learn how to be a successful content marketing, including how to rank first on Google, generate content ideas. Certifications are excellent because they take a deep dive into specific subjects. If I had taken free digital marketing certifications earlier, I would have been able to focus on my strengths and not my weaknesses. Number 2, start a blog and YouTube channel. You learn by doing. This is especially true in digital marketing. Lao Tzu, a Chinese philosopher, once said, "A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step." I believe that if you learn about marketing in your personal life, you'll be better positioned to advise it in your professional life. Your hobbies and passions outside of work can help you at work. When you start a blog and a YouTube channel, you get to experiment and see what content works in different formats. Blogging, for example, helps you refine your tone of voice, helps you better develop your ideas, and increases your technical skills, such as video and copy editing. Yes, there are hundreds of blogs on the internet, but you can still write about subjects that you care about and make a big impact. Blogging helps you develop your personal brand, attract an audience, and improves your headline and writing skills. In addition to blogging, I wish I would have started a YouTube channel earlier. Video is powerful and it's becoming even more critical to success in marketing. You can learn how to present yourself in front of a camera. Creating videos is as easy as writing content. The only difference is that everyone can see you on camera. Not all marketers have embraced video. For some, video takes a backseat to text and images. Video is an integral part of today's digital experience. Creating a YouTube channel will push you outside of your comfort zone and you'll grow. With the development of a YouTube channel, you'll learn how video and writing have different audiences. You can cross-promote your different content. For example, a blog post may help you write a YouTube script. Number 3, I wish I would have grown my side hustles instead of working in retail. It's essential to find something you work on at night. This can lead to another income stream beyond your corporate day job. When I first started working in marketing as a marketing assistant at a local 24-hour news station, I didn't get paid that much. To increase my earnings, I worked as a server at a Chili's restaurant from 6 p.m. until midnight. I learned a lot about people as a waiter. However, it was a hard work and over time I would become exhausted. If I had started blogging and creating a YouTube channel earlier in my career, I could have made money by monetizing my WordPress blog. I could have earned money through affiliate marketing through the Amazon Associates program, and I could have got paid through YouTube Partner program. This income would have helped me create the alternative income stream I was looking for while learning more about marketing. Number 4, view career challenges as a blessing in disguise. Earlier in my marketing career, I had some challenges. For example, I was let go by the PR firm I worked for in Chicago. I was heartbroken, emotional, and disappointed by getting laid off. However, I look back at that career challenge in a positive light. It was one of the best things that I could have ever done to help me with my marketing career. I launched my blog, Knowledge Enthusiast, and I attended many social media and content marketing conferences. Both social media and content marketing were becoming popular at the time. I looked at this career challenge as an opportunity because it forced me to be grateful and shift my marketing career from a PR professional to becoming more of a marketing communications professional. I became an early mover in the fields of content marketing and social media. With this knowledge, I was set up for success at my next job at a technology company as a marketing communications manager. This quote-unquote pink slip experience made me stronger. I went from one of the lowest points of my career career to one of the highest in less than a year. There are some critical benefits to conquering lousy luck. Number 5, become a content curator. The best way to learn about the ever-changing trends happening in marketing is by curating content. Content curation is where you act like a wedding DJ who plays the best songs at a wedding. You consistently find and share the best of other people's content. Content curation helps you develop a keen eye for the state of marketing and helps you spot gaps in other people's content that you can then create for yourself. When you share the best content on social media, especially on LinkedIn, you build a strong network where you're top of mind. Content is a powerful way to build your network and become closer to other people. When you share your knowledge, ideas, and experience, people in your network who read it will then develop a close bond with you. This strong network and bond will help you when you're looking for a new job or you're seeking marketing advice. Your network will be inspired by what you have shared, and they will feel connected to you and be more willing to help you. Content curation has helped me fast track my resume and application for job openings, introduced me to new colleagues and friends. It has increased the number of recruiters that have reached out to me, and it has helped me find work at companies that I'm proud to work at. It has also helped me become a better leader and has helped me stay top of mind with my career network. Okay, let's bring it all together. First, if you like what you saw here, please hit the subscribe button below. If I had to start my marketing career over again, I would want to apply these 5 things. Thanks for watching. Until next time.